Hi everybody. Now I am going to show you the second part of this my universal programmer, 8 mil ABR universal programmer. Previously I demonstrated this device by internally all the board and all my circuit and design, but now I fix this PCB inside one plastic box. This is general purpose plastic box, so you can see here this just a board I fix here inside, and I make it just like tape, and this my UART USB connector is here. Another nothing else, I just add one more LED here and one more reset button for the secondary slab ICs. So that's only I make change here. Another everything is same. You can see inside still the PCB is there. So now I am going to demonstrate you these two of the IC, which is the tiny microcontroller. You can see here this is a tiny 84 and a tiny 85. So these are the 8 pin and 14 pin microcontroller. Now I am going to upload some Scratch program. First of all, I will upload the bootloader here, and these ICs are new now. So how we can upload the bootloader here and the program through the Praster IC here, which is the one of ABR ISP programmer. The main procedure is I already explained to you through the UART port. First of all, the program will upload through the UART and this the one master IC, and after that it will transfer the code to the slave IC. So this is how this programmer is working. I will just explain you now. I will just remove the this IC from the socket, and I will show you here how I can connect this one to the computer. So just I have here this the UART port I already inform you, and this is the USB mini port. I am going to connect this connector to my laptop. My programmer is now connected to the PC, so we can see here the same LED, red LED is glowing on now. So this is the one 28 pin 8 mil microcontroller. So I will not make any program here because previously I already done this one. So the second one I am going to do now. This is the a tiny 84 microcontroller, which is the 14 pin microcontroller. So this microcontroller is very useful for small project like robot development and your smart home system, like you can control all the device of your house through Bluetooth or Wi-Fi by your mobile apps. This kind of ICs is very useful for automation, home automation. So especially I'm going to use this IC to design some home automation system. When I burn the bootloader, and I will upload the Sketch program, and I will develop another program as a home automation. So I will explain you how I can do this one. So first of all, I have here two red line is here. This time I mark here, from here to here there is a 14 pin there is 14 separate pin are there, and another from here to here there is 8 pin are there. So this is the 114 pin I will put here. You can see exactly it's going on here on the socket. So I have to unzip this one. So once I unzip, you will see here some light is blinking. So previously here is some program is there. So now I am going to erase this master bootloader and this program, then I will upload the new program. So let me start now. Now I am going to this software side. So I have here already one a tiny 84 test program, which is I write some couple of code here. There is a general code is here. Just I make it just only I define one pin to LED, and just I make him on for a 10 millisecond and 1000 millisecond off. So this is what I make a small code here. So first of all, I have to go and select here. This is the especially my board is the a tiny 84 this is 84 24 44 and 84 series. So I have the microcontroller exactly the 24 this 84 is here. So I have to select this 84. Then another things I have to select this the clock this the clock signal. This is the processing capacity, which is the clock signal also we can call it. So this is the one is internal 8 megahertz. this is the frequency range of this microcontroller. So another things, my UART port is the COM port, and I have this ISP. So this is my ISP programmer, which is I have to select here, and just I will upload the bootloader here. So once I click this one, you can see here something is reading, and another things, it's already say here is a done burning bootloader, and AVR dude, he said thank you. We can go now to the board side. So here is a board is there. So now there is no any blinking program is there. So if I press this any button, you can see nothing is going on here. So what I am going to do now, just I am going to upload one sketch program for this 8-bit microcontroller. So let me start to the upload this program. In this case, I have already written here one small sketch program. So this program I have to go and upload through this programmer. So in this case, I have to select the sketch, and this is the upload using programmer. So I have already programmer selected there. So once I click this one, you can see the program is compiling now here. So once it's compiled done, I will go to the board side again. I am waiting for blinking the LED here because the program is under compiling. So once the compile will be finished, we will see here some light, the upload LED will be on, and after finally the code will be read by this microcontroller. And we can see here is a one white LED is here, and here is a red LED. I'm going to use this LED for master reset for the master IC, and this the red LED is for the slave IC. So let we see how he will respond this two LED here. So my program is near to compile now because it's under compiling. So I hope within few seconds he will finish the compile here. So you can see here some blinking is there, both LED are there blink. So finally you can see here now the slave IC is start to work, and it's a blinking as far as my program. So it's a 1 second off delay, and there is a 10 millisecond on delay, which is the one blinking indicator we can see here. So once I reset this button, you can see once I press the reset button, and the LED will not blink anymore because he is now on the reset mode. So once I release, he start to work. So I want to verify again this program is working through the IC or no. Once I unzip this microcontroller, so you can see the program is no anymore reading. So once I zip here, you can see the program is start to reading now. So this is the final how we can upload any kind of sketch, any kind of project on the small tiny IC, and we can control all the automation system whatever you like robotic and home automation and industrial automation also. So I hope you will get some information about these videos. And this device especially I designed for the university level of the students who are going to learn this programming and automation, so they can use this kind of device in their project. And another private sector or school level student also, they can use this program. So in the future I will print this device maximum quantity as a good quality. This is my only the test and demo programmer only. Thank you, and thank you very much for watching this video.